What if the broken old bike in your garage is not trash? It's a decor project waiting to happen, or a pile of leftover wood scrap laying around. You are sitting on more potential than you realize. This project is all about taking things that seems completely used up and giving them a second life as clean and modern decor. It's a perfect mix of upcycling and minimalism, using junk to create something simple, elegant, and totally functional. The best part is, materials are basically free, which means almost everything you make becomes pure profit. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are exploring how old bicycle parts and scrap wood can be combined to create something calm, functional, and stylish piece that looks surprisingly sophisticated and genuinely sellable. Why this combo works so well? Old bike parts already have this cool industrial character built right in. Rust, wear, and texture that new materials just don't have. Wood adds warmth and softness, balancing but that raw materials edge. Together, they create that popular minimalism meets industrial look. Why this project is so advantageous? You are working with materials that could otherwise be thrown away, so your starting cost is close to zero. It's incredibly beginner friendly. No need for expensive tools or years of experience. The finished pieces are small and functional, meaning they are easy to make, easy to store, and easy to sell. It turns something you might feel a little guilty throwing out into something genuinely useful and beautiful. It is a simple way to start, generate extra income from materials you already have access to. Why upcycled industrial decor is interesting? People don't always want their homes to look exactly like everyone else. Handmade decor gives something different. It combines function, creativity, sustainability, and personality. That's what makes this project so interesting. Design for modern homes. Minimalist decor is usually about keeping things simple. Avoid adding too much colors or unnecessary details. Combine natural wood with metal. Use simple shapes. Leave some empty space. This can make recycled materials look much more contemporary. Make safety as a priority. Old bikes can contain sharp edge, rust, dirt, and hidden damage. Clean and inspect every carefully before using it. Remove or protect anything that could cause cuts. If you are creating a wall-mounted product, make sure the mounted system can safely support its weight. Where to find your materials? Broken or unused bikes are everywhere. Garage sales, curbside pickups, online marketplace, giveaways, and even your own garage. Bike shops often have old rim, spoke, or parts they are happy to give away or sell for next to nothing. Wood scraps can come from old furniture, leftover boards from other projects, or offcuts come from local woodworking shops. The more character in metals, the rust, scratch, wear, the more charm it brings to the final piece. Simple projects idea using this combo: minimalist wall clock using a bike rim as a frame and wood as a clean, simple face. Small wall-mounted shelf using spoke as a support structure and wood as a shelf surface. The decorative wall hanging combine a bent rim shape with stripe of wood for contrast. A simple coat hook rack using spoke or small part mounted onto a wood backing. A tabletop accent piece mixing a small rim shape with a wooden base for a modern sculptural look. The basic idea behind the design: start by cleaning your bike parts just enough to make them safe to handle, while keeping their natural weathered character. Choose a few contemporary wood stripes or scraps that pair nicely in color and tones. Keep the design simple, clean lines, and open space are what gives this style its modern minimalist feel. Combine the metal and wood in a way that feels balanced, letting each material highlight the others. Less is more here. The goal is clean and intentional, not busy or overcrowded. Dear viewers, are you enjoying the idea so far? We would love to know what you think and which countryside you are watching us from. Tell us in the comments. Your ideas and feedbacks inspire us to create even more beautiful content for you. And if you are enjoying the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more creative ideas. Thanks for being part of the Decor Idea channel. Why this look is so popular right now? Minimalist design continues to be one of the biggest trends in home decor because it feels calm and uncluttered. Combining metal and wood adds warmth to that minimalist look, so it never feels too cold or plain. Upcycled pieces have a story behind them, which makes buyers feel like they are getting something meaningful, not mass-produced. It fits beautifully into modern apartments, home office, and any space that learn clean and simple. Why this is so profitable? Your raw materials often cost nothing, since you are rescuing things that were headed for the trash. A small simple design means you can create several pieces in a short amount of time. Minimalist decor is in high demand, so there is a strong, steady market for pieces like this. Because the piece feels unique and thoughtful made, buyers are happy to pay well about the cost of the materials. Price the finished product, not the scrap. Remember that customers are not simply buying old bicycle parts, they are buying your creativity, design, time, craftsmanship, finishing, and the final product. Calculate your expense carefully. Then, set a price that makes sense for the work involved. Never assume that a low-cost raw materials automatically means the finished product should be cheap. Simple tips to make this look professional. Take your time cleaning metal part, but don't remove all the natural texture and character. Sand your wood piece smooth so they contrast nicely against more rugged metal texture. Keep your finished piece simple and uncluttered. That is the whole appeal of minimalist design. Photograph your piece against a plain, clean background so the design itself really stands out. Create a products that are easy to sell. A small decor piece can have an advantage. They are easy to display, they are easy to photograph, they are often easy to transport, and they can appeal to customers who want something unique without buying a large piece of furniture. Turn out one bicycle into multiple products. Here is where the incoming opportunity becomes interesting. One old bike can potentially prove materials for several different projects. The wheel could become a clock, a gear could become a decorative accent, the spoke could become part of a design. Simple way to sell these pieces. Local crafts fair and modern home market are a great fit for this clean minimalist style. Online marketplaces are perfect for rich buyers who especially loves upcycle and industrial minimalist decor. Home office and modern apartment decor community online are often active search for pieces just like this. Word of mouth spread quickly with unique decor since people love sharing where they found something so distinct. Explore local markets. You don't need to start with a huge online business. Local crafts markets, furniture shops, cafes, and home decor store can be a place to test your ideas. Show people the finished product. Ask what they look. Pay attention to which design attracts the most attention. Why this project is worth doing? It's an incredible way to give truly forgotten materials a meaningful second life. Minimalist upcycled decor is one of the smallest, most in-demand style in the market right now. It's simple enough for a complete beginner yet stylish enough to feel genuinely professional. It provides that turning broken into beautiful is not only possible but genuinely profitable. Broken bikes, parts, and wooden scrap combine to create clean, functional, and minimalist decor. The materials are essentially free, but the finished piece look intentional, modern, and sellable. With simple design choice, you can a little cleanup, forgotten junk can become a real source of income. This project provides that some of the best ideas come from things other people have already given up on. In the end, so the next time you see a broken bike or a pile of leftover wood, don't automatically think of us as garbage. Look at the shapes, look at the texture, look at the possibilities. That old wheel could become a clock. Those gears could become artwork. Those small wood scrap could become a beautiful accessories. And together, these forgotten materials can become modern decor with real personality and selling potential. The real skill is not simply woodworking with wood or metal. It's learning how to see valuable where others people see waste. If you enjoy this idea, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification for more woodworking projects, upcycling idea, industrial decor, handmade projects, and creative way to turn scrap materials into something valuable. And tell us in the comments which would you make for a broken bicycle, the clock, shelf, mirror, plant stand, or something completely different. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and remember, one person junk can become another person's masterpiece. Until next time, keep creating, keep simplifying, and keep turning the forgotten into something truly functional.